What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. We were running an off-the-shelf map from the Cobb access port, but this is no longer good. The car has not been liking it. It's been running really rough. The RPMs shoot up. I don't get any kind of boost, any power until later. I feel like it has something to do with a air to fuel ratio situation. I'm experiencing a lot of fuel cut or boost cuts. I need a specific map for my car because I have so many. I don't have just Cobb parts, I have other parts as well. We are also going to be putting in this 3-port GrimmSpeed boost controller. It's an electronic boost controller, so if you do plan on putting this on your car, please get a tune for it before you even install this, or else you run the possibility of blowing up your car. That's what all the forums have told me, and that's, I stand by it. If a lot of people on the forums are just telling you not to do it, just don't do it. Talk to a tuner, tell him that you want to put this on there. He'll give you the map appropriate so that you can run this and then literally slap it on 30 seconds before you even start the car. I pretty much reached out to a company over in Oregon, English Racing. They are a really good tuner. They specialize in Evos and GTRs, so I really wanted to go with them and have them work on my car. Especially I'm going to be paying the money for a specific tune. The base map that English Racing just sent me, it's going to be uploaded onto the Cobb access port. I already explained to them that this is the device that I'm using, so they're going to work with me on that. Okay, so when it comes to the boost controller, it did come with some hose line. I'm afraid that I'm going to run out of this. I just went to AutoZone and I got some more line. The size that is the same as what GrimmSpeed had sent me is this one right here. Then I also grabbed some universal clips because, some of the clips are pretty rusted and pretty old and dingy. So I just got some of these. I guess there's a lot of ways you can run this boost controller, but I'm gonna go with the simplest, and that is going to be using all 3 ports. So pretty much port number 1 is going to go to the intake, port number 3 is going to go to the turbo, and port number 2 is going to go to the wastegate. Okay, so here's the setup. This gray connection plugs into the brown one. The black still continues to go to black, and we're just gonna literally grab this and flip it around. So we have the Cobb access port connected to the laptop now, and I have my emails from English Racing set up on the right. I have the Cobb access port manager on the left. I'm just gonna save the attachment. I guess for now I could just keep it in my downloads, but I'll move it eventually. So then I just hit save, go back to the access port, and then right here, pretty much I want to hit manage, I want to be on the manage section, and then after that, import file to access port. Click that. Then right here, I will click download, and then this one actually lights up. So that's a good sign. That means that this is meant for the application. All the other stuff is faded away. It's not there. So let me click on that. Open. Confirm file copy. Are you sure you want to copy this one file to the access port? Yes. And if I was to go to maps, here's all the maps. Here's pretty much like the off-the-shelf maps. But you notice right here, 2013, 2015, stage 1, 3-port, 22 PSI. That's the map. Now that it's officially on the Cobb access port, we're going to disconnect the Cobb, and then we're going to flash the car with it. Tune, change ECU map. Ooh, it's right at the top too. Yeah, there you go. 91 octane. That's cool. Boom. Wait 15 seconds. I bet. Alright, third gear.